Why is it every year when it's winter that your bulbs have to go? So don't worry, I'm here. I will show you how to change this bulb on a Peugeot 3008, which is there. Right, so first we're going to take this clip out, and I reckon I can take this out with my hand. So let's do it. There it goes. Pull it outwards. And then you're supposed to use a screwdriver. Oh, there you go. Ka-ching. Panel off, and then we have to take out that. There's two nuts there, so I'm just going to do that now. I'll come back to you in a second. So for this, we're going to use a 10mm socket. Loosen it up. There they are. Yeah. Back in a sec. Now, please do be careful when you're undoing these. Don't drop it down there into the gaps. Otherwise it's going to be bye-bye. Alright, so with the nuts up, I'm just going to give it a quick wiggle. Hopefully, oh come on, oh yes. So next we're going to take out this wiring harness. Should be just a clip somewhere around this. I'm going to do that now. Alright, so with the unit off, we're going to take out this black piece here. And there's some clips going around the edges. There's one there. There's one I've already undone here. Another one here, and I think there is one there, and there. So I'm going to piece off. Top one there is your brake light, tail light, and if you look carefully, it's a 2-filament bulb, which is this one here. This is the bulb you will need. I picked this up from a petrol station, just a standard one, nothing too fancy. I'm just going to replace it by press down, twist, easy job. So I'm going to take that off, put it in there, and put it all back together. So we've got the black panel back on. Make sure you get all these clips lined up and pushed in. Apologies about the quick video. It is freezing cold here. Plug this harness back in, and then push it in, and then put those two bolts on, and then presto. Okay, this little dude's going to help me out with the brake lights. Okay, you know what to do, buddy. Go for it. Yes, he's too young to drive, I know. He's not driving. There we go, look at that. I don't know why that looks orange, but it's actually red, okay. There we go. Tail light, brake light. Cool, done.